हेलो एंड नमस्ते। टुडे वी आर इन कन्वर्सेशन विद डॉक्टर निलय मेहता, गुजरात के जाने माने गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजिस्ट में से एक, हु इज करंटली वर्किंग फॉर जाइडस हॉस्पिटल्स, अहमदाबाद। Good morning, doctor. कैसे हैं आप?
Good morning, Norris. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine, sir. Before we begin with some intense discussion, I would like to ask you, with this lockdown relaxed, you too must have observed certain changes in your daily life.
Oh, yes, sure. No, but not to a great extent, because during lockdown also we at Zydus were working. But now since the lockdown has opened up, we are working normal hours. So that's the only change I see in my life after lockdown.
So, are there any changes that in your working pattern or maybe something in the hospital?
Oh yeah, a lot. We have completely changed the way we are working nowadays. Come, let me show you. Rather than discussion, when I show you, you will realize how it has become a totally different work pattern nowadays after Corona. First thing when I come to the hospital, I change into the hospital scrubs so that I don't carry hospital bugs to my home. That's absolutely mandatory for me. Now you can see in our outpatient department, you see social distancing while the patients are being seated. We have made crosses over the seats so patient cannot sit there. You can see social distancing at the reception also.
Sir, in spite of so many precautions, are the patients getting skeptical towards continuing their ongoing treatments?
Yeah, obviously, but once we talk to them, they are pretty good, like in the sense that they would say, okay doctor, today we've learned so much and today we are less scared about the problem than what we were.
So it seems like people are again getting very used to the normality of this new behavior.
Yeah, we all have to, right? It's a new virus for all of us and it's a scary one. So we all have to help each other.
So you are one of the best endoscopists of the country. Are there any changes in doing the endoscopies these days?
Oh yeah, I think there is a complete change in how we do endoscopy, and we take care of the patient prior to endoscopy, during endoscopy and after the endoscopy. I'll show you how we made changes in endoscopy. This is our beautiful endoscopy department with 4 endoscopy suites, and we take utmost precautions and care while doing endoscopy. As you can see in our endoscopy room, all the healthcare workers and technicians, they are wearing full PPE so that they don't get infected. Our patients also given mask prior to endoscopy. Once the endoscopy is done, then the mask is changed. We do and use most of the disposable things so that we don't infect patient. But most important is that this is not enough. Once the endoscopy is done, how we take care of our endoscopes, that is what I want to show you, because we don't want to transmit any infection through endoscope. That's why we clean our endoscopes with utmost precaution, and I'll show you how we do it.
So there must be a separate place where you do
Oh yes, there is a big endoscopy cleaning area which is separate to the endoscopy suite. Nourish, as you can see, once the scopy is done, the first thing is that scope has to be cleaned manually of all the organic material, as you can see over here. Once the scope is thoroughly cleaned manually, scope from this machine is taken to another machine, which is a completely automated machine, which cleans the scope thoroughly. It has very good antiseptic solution which is being used, which will kill most of the bacteria and virus. After that, the scope is again dried manually on this table, as you can see. Once the scope is completely free of infection and it is dried properly, the scope is hanged in this cupboard. It has UV as well as HEPA filter. So no new infection, no new bacteria or virus comes into the scope while it is stored.
It is
For any endoscopy department, I think this is absolutely mandatory to have a very good and thorough post-endoscopy cleaning area.
It is a wonderful setup, sir. It's a wonderful setup.
Naresh, I showed you how we take care of the endoscopy facility, also the health worker. But for us, the most important part of the profession is taking care of the patients well. And I'll show you how we take care of the patients after endoscopy is done. And I'll show you my recovery area and how we maintain our social distancing over there, because I think it is the most important thing. And as I told you, after the endoscopy is done, we change the patient's mask, and we can show you how we have kept our patients in the recovery.
It seems you have kept a lot of distancing in your department.
Yeah, I think it is absolutely mandatory.
So you had an established solo practice since so many years. Any changes in working with a corporate hospital now?
See, first of all, I came back to Ahmedabad years before, I would say 28 years or 27 years back. That time there were not many corporate hospitals. There were small nursing homes, but not many corporate hospitals. So we didn't have any choice but to start a solo practice. And I continued with it for a long time. Of course, I upgraded myself technically, knowledge-wise. Also, I upgraded my endoscopy facility and other things. But then I was lacking 2-3 things. I just showed you how we made this department over here at Zydus, which I don't think it's possible in solo practice. Why it is not possible? Because it has become very expensive, and endoscopy is not something that you've done something, you made something and lasts forever. No, it's an ever-changing field technologically. So you have to keep on buying new instruments, keep on having new instruments. I can bet on it that at Zydus we have best of the best instruments right now, which can match any good endoscopy department in the country. Second thing is that we have a great team over here in Department of Gastroenterology. In a solo practice, you can't build a team. So I came to this corporate hospital, Zydus Hospital, because I thought it was very receptive in making a great endoscopy department, and it had good gastroenterologists. So we could form a good team, and that is what we have done over here. We are 5 gastroenterologists at Zydus Gastroenterology right now, and we work cohesively as a team. So that's the reason I switched to a corporate hospital.
So this was Naresh in conversation with Dr. Nilay Mehta. If in case there are any questions that you would wish to ask, you might drop it in the comment section below for us to review. उम्मीद करते हैं आपसे फिर जल्द मुलाकात होगी. Till then, stay home, stay safe.